How to create a Vk account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Right here in the search bar, search for www.vk.com. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Tap on Sign up for Vk. You will be landing on the page where you will be able to create your account. In this section, enter your phone number and then tap on Continue. Well, now you will receive one call from an unknown number, and then you need to enter the last 4 digits of that number. There you go, you got the call. Now you need to remember that code and enter it right here. Once you have entered, tap on Continue. You will be landing on this interface. You need to fill up some of the information. First of all, enter your first name and then last name. And then enter your birth date. Then select your appropriate gender. And then tap on Continue. You need to create one password for your Vk account. In this section, enter the new password. Once you have created the new password, right here for the confirmation, re-enter the password. And then tap on Continue. For now, you can just skip this right away. For the security, you can enter your email address. If not, you can also skip this part, so tap on Specify Later. And there you go, your Vk account has been created successfully. Now you can simply modify this account and use this site, and you'll be good to go. So this is it, and this is simply how you can create your Vk account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.